I ain't drunk. I'm just drinking.
But you're so high.
Oh man, you know I ain't high.
But you're so high.
Yeah, well I just take a little sip every now and then.
But you're so high.
You ought to be ashamed of
Stay
yourself.
drunk all
Oh,
the
come
time.
on now, you all don't feel like that.
Hey kids, welcome back to JJ's Cheap Ass Hat Cam. I don't know if you guys remember the Dreamcicle. It used to have that really ugly pod on it, and so then I got this pod made for it, and I did a stain job using clothing dye. So this is the Proton stretched X-frame, and this found a new home with my brother in Hawaii, who actually bought one of my headhunters the other day. So we're going to do a pop test on this guy and give it a go, see how she goes. We're running the Chrome Cobras on this. Yeah, bad to the bone motor. CP2207s. Got a 4S on here. And this is running the Alpha all-in-one Luminaire 35 amp Omnibus F4, blah, blah, blah. So here we go. Angle mode pop test. This is a nice bird. Listen how smooth that is. That's a beautiful thing. Listen. Hear that? Nice. All right. Here we go. Goodbye. Wow. That's a mean bird there, kids. Look at that thing. Wow. I love it. It's such a cool bird. It's a cool frame. Amazing motors. Oh, the wind is just insane from that. It's like... That's gorgeous. Alright, we'll bring her down. This battery's hating me. There she is, the Dreamcicle. Going to Hawaii. Oh, lucky bastard. Love it. I'm gonna miss this bird. I was gonna keep this one, but my buddy wanted it. So it's going to a good home. Ugh. That's just... I love it. Let's do a high-speed yaw just for fun. I always do that. It's fun. Alright. There we go. Keep it real, kids. Bye.
Bam, JJ! Hope you like fishing. Bam, JJ! Hey, JJ! Hope you like fishing.